Hey guys, this is John from Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing. Today I'm standing inside of our showroom where we house our wet blasting, dry blasting, and hydro blasting machines. Now, if you're a customer that's interested in surface finishing or a hobbyist that wants to have a tool that can clean and restore motorcycle parts, there's probably a question that you're running through your mind is, which machine should I buy for my shop? Now, we asked the same question to our users, but in a different way. We asked if you did everything from scratch and started in the beginning, which would be the best starter machine for your business. We got the results and we're going to do the top 3 best starter vapor honing machines. So let's get started. All right, first let's talk about the Weekend Warrior. The Weekend Warrior is our go-to recommendation for any hobbyist that wants to stay a hobbyist, but still wanting that serious performance. Inside, you've got a 33 by 30 by 28 workspace. That means you can fit about 80% of your parts. It's lit with a LED floodlight, and there's a window rinse giving you better visibility. Now, on the outside, basically everything is simple and user-friendly. On the right side, you have your power switch. On below, you have the manual overflow valve. That's where after you're done blasting, you have to drain your excess water. You have to wait about 120 seconds to drain that excess water. Now for the Weekend Warrior, it comes as a 110 and it uses a GFCI plug. So you can simply just plug it to any outlet and you're good to go. Now the Weekend Warrior has a fantastic entry price. If you just get the machine, which is the open loop version, it comes to $28.64. But if you add a closed loop, which is an extra $6.50, it is $35.14. So it is perfect for sort of a good starting point for any hobbyist. Now, if you are a hobbyist or a DIY enthusiast, this would be a perfect machine to start off your vapor blasting journey. All right, so next up we have the VH800 Fully Loaded. This machine is gonna be perfect for any small shops that need more production in their shop, but not being fully industrial. You're getting a full electrical panel and a precision air regulator that has been moved to the front, making it easier to see and adjust while working, and an automatic overflow valve. So inside your electrical panel, there's gonna be a timer, and after you're done blasting, about 120 seconds, your automatic overflow valve will release the excess water. So from the difference between this to the Weekend Warrior, at the Weekend Warrior, you had a manual overflow valve, so you had to count down to 120, while here, it does it for you. Inside the cabinet, you have 2 LED light bars for better visibility, a windshield wiper, and a window rinse to keep the view clean and clear during blasting. Now think of the VH800 Fully Loaded as not industrial, but light industrial. Basically, this machine has all the components, all the features that are larger machines like the 1000 or the 2000, all compact and affordable. And finally, we have the VH2000. Now, obviously what stands this out from the rest is the size. It is a 40 by 40 by 40 internal workspace. So basically you can just blast almost anything, particularly large parts. And it has plenty of room to maneuver around and blast. It's stainless steel, so you know it's gonna be durable. It has all the features, your precision air regulator, the foot pedal control, the windshield wiper, you have the 2 LED light bars. Basically everything that the Fully Loaded had, this has it as well. You also have some optional add-ons. You can also add a heater, and you can also add a media density meter, which will help you to figure out what ratio you have for abrasive. The VH2000 is our full-blown industrial wet blasting machine. It's perfect for high volume work performance. So if you're someone that is looking to get into the industrial game without the pressure or the need to upgrade, this is the all-in-one thing. All right, guys, so we just talked about the top 3 best starter machines. We talked about the Weekend Warrior, the VH800 Fully Loaded, and the 2000. I'll tell you right now, it really depends on your situation, really what your shop, what parts you're dealing with. There might be a point where you don't really need the Weekend Warrior. You might need the 700, depending on the size of the parts that you're blasting, or maybe the abrasive that you need. All of our vapor blasting machines basically operate the same, from small to large. So if you have any more questions about wet blasting, you can call us at 828-202-5563. If you are interested in buying any of these machines, the Weekend Warrior, the FL, and the 2000, you can check out the link below. And you can also check on our website, www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. I'm John, and thanks for watching.